topic of the day is the essence of ethics. Essence of ethics. What do we mean by word essence? Essence kya hai? Essence of the student is studying. Essence of the teacher is teaching. Essence of the soldier is to protect the country. What is essence? Essence. It is basically, essence means indispensable property. The indispensable property is called as essence. The indispensable property is essence. So what is it saying? That what is the essence of ethics? What is the indispensable property of ethics? What is ethics? Ethics means being right or wrong. Ethics means right or wrong at the level of society. Right or wrong at the level of society. So when we say essence of ethics, what is the indispensable property of right or wrong at the level of society? The indispensable property of something which we consider right or wrong at the level of society. What are the parameters? What are the parameters to consider right or wrong at the level of society? What are the parameters to consider right or wrong at the level of society? The first parameter we've already seen. Ethics is subjective in nature. The ethics is subjective in nature. Okay? Something which may be right in one society might be wrong in other society. Example, you can write abortion. Abortion is accepted in India. Abortion is accepted in India. But abortion is yes, it is the features of the ethics. Yes, you can say it is the features of ethics. Bilkul. Essence of ethics is nothing but the features of ethics. And those features which are indispensable, which cannot be done away with. Which cannot be done away with. So, for example, abortion is accepted in India, but abortion is not accepted or is unethical. Unethical in Catholic countries. In the Catholic countries, abortion is not ethical. So those features, indispensable features. Second, ethics operate at multiple level. Okay, if you work in an organization, they will have organizational ethics. It also operates at the level of society. It also operates at the level of international relations. So ethics is operating at multiple levels, not just one level, but at the multiple levels. Okay? So ethics operate at multiple levels. Third is the ethics at all levels interact with each other. Ethics at all level interact with each other. They at all level interact with each other. So ethics operate at multiple levels. They interact at each level. Ethics is subjective in nature. Ethics depend on the context. It depends on the context. Ethics depend on the context. Is killing ethical? Is killing ethical? Should you kill somebody? Should you kill a person? But is killing in self-defense? Is killing in self-defense ethical? So whatever, yes, it's the demand of the situation. So ethics is basically whether a thing is right or wrong. depends on the context. It depends on the situation. It depends on the place. It depends on time. It depends on these parameters. So ethics depends on the context. It depends on situation. It depends on time. It depends on the place. It also depends on intention. The intention. So these are the ethics, the essence of ethics. Fifth is ethics cannot be shaped. It cannot be shaped in isolation. In isolation. You cannot shape ethics in isolation. Ethics cannot be shaped in isolation. It is basically shaped by society and culture. It is shaped by society and it is shaped by society and culture. So you cannot shape ethics in isolation. So this is the essence of ethics. You now understand what is ethics, what are the features of ethics.